must use verbs in English and Kinyarwanda. Inshinga 30 zishobora gukoreshwa mu Kinyarwanda no mu Cyongereza. English and Kinyarwanda class online. Inshinga kuba, verb to be. I am a teacher, ndi umwarimu. To have, I have a sister, mfite mushiki wanjye. To do, gukora. I do my homework, nkora umukoro wanjye. I can do my job in the right way. Nshobora gukora akazi kanjye mu buryo bwiza. To put, I put a sweater, shyizemo umupira. To say or to tell. To say, kuvuga. I am telling you the truth, ndi kuvuga ukuri. To tell, kubwira. I am saying what I say, ndavuga icyo nabonye. To speak, kuvuga. I speak two language. I speak two language. Mvuga indimi ebyiri. To have, mfite. I have 3 houses, mfite amazu 3. To have, mfite cyangwa se kugira. I have 3 houses, mfite amazu 3. To take, gufata cyangwa kwakira. I take the bus, fata basi. To take, I take the bus, fata basi. To give, guhereza cyangwa gutanga. I give you a flower, nguhaye ururabo. To go, kugenda. I go to the store, njya ku iduka. To want, gukenera. To know, kumenya. I know my address, nzi aho ntuye. To know, kumenya. I know my address, nzi aho ntuye. To see, kureba. I don't see anything, nta kintu mbona. To see, kureba. I don't see anything, nta kintu mbona. To watch, kureba. I watch soccer, ndeba umupira. To sleep, kuryama. I sleep early, ndyama hakiri kare. To drink, kunywa. I drink coffee. Nywa ikawa. To eat, kurya. I eat fruit. Ndya imbuto. Must or to have to, ugomba. You must eat. Ushobora kurya. You must eat. Ushobora kurya. To give, gukunda. I love my wife. Nkunda umugore wanjye. To listen, kumva. I listen to music. Numva indirimbo. To hear, kumva. I hear noises. Ndikumva urusaku. To read, gusoma. I am reading a book. Ndi gusoma igitabo. To write, kwandika. I am writing a letter. Ndi kwandika ibaruwa. To buy, kugura. Tomorrow I will buy bread. Ejo nzagura umugati. To sell, kugurisha. I will sell my car next week. I will sell my car next week. Nzagurisha imodoka yanjye mu cyumweru gitaha. To walk, gukora. He works at saloon. Akora kuri salo. To study, kwiga. She studies law. Yiga amategeko. Thanks for watching. This video will be continued. Iyi video izakomeza, murakoze kureba. Don't forget to do subscribe, comment and share for more video. Ntiyibagirwe gukora subscribe no gushyiraho inyunganizi ndetse no kubisangiza inshuti n'abavandimwe kugira ngo mugende mwigira byinshi kuri iyi channel hamwe nanjye Cecile. Murakoze.